Alright, to find the foot motor in the BG10, just remove your covers. You've got your large cover, you got your exhaust grill, then you've got this cover. This will be the only one left. You'll have 3 screws, one here, one here, one here. Remove the cover screws and your cover will lift off. Be careful not to lose your O-ring that seals water out of the motor compartment. And this is the foot motor. This is the foot motor circuit board assembly. To remove the foot motor, there's a couple things you'll need to do before you take the motor out. First is rotate the brush carriage assembly out. And on this far side, you'll see 3 screws.
Let's come back to that. Yeah, let's stop that one.